For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Bollywood actor Nawazuddin was all over the news platforms on the 19th of May. Not because it was his birthday, but because he had received a legal notice from his wife. Nawazuddin's second wife, Alia Siddiqui, had sent him a legal notice demanding a divorce. According to Alia's advocates, the couple was having serious relationship issues. Alia had reportedly made some serious allegations against Nawazuddin Siddiqui and his family. Soon after demanding a divorce, Alia retained her original name, Anjana Kishore Pandey. It took no time for the news to spread when the news portals were flooded with rumors and speculation about their separation. One such rumor was made against Alia Siddiqui. Rumors suggested that Alia is having an alleged affair with another man. In fact, many reports claim that the cause of their separation is Alia's alleged affair with media personal Piyush Pandey. To end these rumors and speculation, Alia joined Twitter on May 20th. Alia joined Twitter and posted a series of tweets. Each tweet was rubbishing the allegations made against her and her character. This is Alia Siddiqui. I am forced to put the truth concerning me on Twitter so that there is no miscommunication. Let the truth not be silenced by misuse and abuse of power. Truth cannot be bought or be manipulated with. To begin with, let me clarify that I am not into any relationship with any man. And any media report which makes such claims are absolutely false. It appears that some section of the media have manipulated with my photograph to make such ridiculous claims to divert attention. I am now learning to stand up and speak for myself. Be strong for the sake of my children. I have not done any wrong till date and therefore I am not worried. However, I do not appreciate anyone harming my reputation or character to save someone else. Money can't buy truth. On the other hand, Piyush also clarified on rumors against him. In an interview with a media agency, Piyush said he is simply being dragged into this.
I got to know about their divorce notice through the media. I am the scapegoat here. These link-up rumors are completely baseless and ridiculous. Why am I being dragged into this? I have nothing to do with this. People around them know about their feud and what is going on between them. Estranged relationship. I want to stay away from it. Why is my name and reputation being tarnished? I am in a relationship with someone and this sort of rumor is extremely distasteful. This puts me in a spot with my family and friends. Luckily, my better half is aware of the truth as she is also friends with Alia. I will consult my lawyer as to what needs to be done to safeguard my interests.
Apart from divorce, Alia has also demanded maintenance from Nawazuddin. The demand for maintenance is over several problems of their marriage. Alia also claimed that the actor and his brother have put her through mental stress. Alia and Nawazuddin were married in 2010 and they have 2 kids together. The budding producer is also claiming the custody of her kids. Nawazuddin is currently quarantined in Budhana, Uttar Pradesh. He is yet to respond to Alia's notice and all the rumors that are doing rounds.